Let's add a 3D model of a plant. Let's delete the cube and reposition the plant within the scene. Next, we need to align the camera to the plant before we can render our PNG file. Now within the Output File tab, make sure that the file format is set to PNG and color to RGB. This is default. Afterwards, go to the Render Properties side panel and under the Film section, make sure to have the Transparent checkbox enabled. We can now render the scene, either by pressing F12 or by going to the Render Image tab within the main toolbar. Make sure to save the render result. I have prepared an illustrated file to showcase the PNG output file within a composition. I hope you find this video helpful. I will position a similar video to the left and a subscribe button to the right. Thanks for watching.